Hi, I'm Helen from Leadoo, and this video is about our visual bot builder, how to navigate around it and what you'll find here. So first things first is our node menu. So you'll see a pop-out menu on the left-hand side where you can drag and drop different nodes onto your workspace. If this is ever hidden, you'll see it under a little tab on the left here. Just click it to pop it out and click the arrow to hide it away again. In the top right, you'll also see this hotkeys button. So this is a way of helping you quick save, quick preview, or even navigate using your keyboard through the bot. You'll also find the find and replace tool. So this is really handy when you just need to change some text that exists in the bot in a really quick and easy way. You can also use the labeling option to change over labels, or of course, find them and replace them with something else. On the top bar here, you'll see the setting button. So this is where you'll find settings to change the name of the bots, the notification recipient email addresses, the styling, when and why it will trigger, and also things like the code for when you want to embed it too. The preview button is really handy, so it means that when you're building your bot or editing your bot, you can always see the live previews. This is what it will look like on your own website. You can open this up at the same time as editing a box. So you can look at both at the same time. You can also hit the restart button to test it over again and start from the top. Save as a template is really helpful if you've got a bot that you want to use again and again and you want it to be available on in your template library. So you can save various different templates that can be used across in-page bot, chat bot, and visual bot. And of course, the code button just helps you get quick access to that code tab that we saw under settings. How about on the left-hand side then? So we've got three different options here which help you look at the insights and analytics of your bot. So what we would call conversation analytics. So the optimization button switches on the heat map, which is where we can understand where drop-off points are happening, like down here, or when we've got a good flow and we've got in the green area here. If I switch on the analytics button and zoom in, you'll notice it turns on node analytics for each and every node. So this is where we can really drill down into what's happening, where we're seeing drop-offs or where we're seeing the highest interest. So this again helps us optimize the options, the copy, and the flow of the bot. If I zoom back out, switch these two off, you'll also see something called visualize flow. So this is really helpful for navigating around the bot so you can see which way your connection is going, whether it's going backwards, like these ones, or going forwards, like these ones. Dynamic variables is one of our advanced features and allows us to do things like calculations or capture information for integration purposes. But I won't go into more detail about that in this video. Popping out the node menu again, the other handy options here you'll see are optimize layout and centralize. So if for whatever reason your bot has got a little bit messy and you just want to help make it a bit more tidy again, click the optimize layout button and it will adjust things automatically for you, which is really handy so you don't have to worry if things look a bit all over the place. You can fix it really quickly. The centralize button gets you back to the start. So if you've accidentally scrolled off into a corner or you're in a very big bot, then that's really helpful just to find your way back to the start. So those are all the really important things that you need to know about using the Visual Bot Editor. So if you do want more information about how to actually edit a bot and use the different types of nodes, we've got another video and some articles to help you do that.